What's up guys, I've got the Galaxy S20 Ultra here, and as many of you know, most of the time my go-to case is an Urban Armor Gear case, and I usually will use a Whitestone Dome screen protector, but if you were to buy both of those products, you're looking at about $100 to protect your phone. But there are plenty of case and screen protectors on the market, and I'm also a huge fan of Olixar Sentinel case. This actually provides 360 degrees of protection because it comes with a case and a tempered glass screen protector, and you can pick this up at mobilefun.com. I'll leave a link in the description for only $21. So we'll go ahead and remove the contents from the box and see what all we're working with here. Okay, so we have all of our cleaning supplies. We have the actual, we've got the tempered glass screen protector. We'll set these things to the side. There's instructions on how to install both your case and your screen protector. And then we do have the Sentinel case. We'll take a quick look at the Sentinel case first. The Sentinel case is a typical TPU case. It's super thin and light. It's not going to add a lot of bulk to your phone like say an OtterBox or an Urban Armor Gear case. We've got a brushed aluminum design here and carbon fiber on the top and bottom. This is also going to add a little bit of grip to your Galaxy S20, S20 Plus or S20 Ultra. These phones are super slippery, so that is also a nice added benefit. Real quickly, we'll throw the phone in the case so you can kind of see the fit. The camera cutout is perfect. All the cutouts on the bottom are perfect here. The button covers leave the buttons nice and tactile. One thing I love about this Sentinel case is that it is perfectly designed for the tempered glass screen protector that it accompanies. Normally when I'm installing a screen protector, the first thing I do is turn the phone off. That way I'm not distracted by the contents of the screen itself. You'll also, before you apply any screen protector on the S20, S20 Plus, or S20 Ultra, you're going to want to make sure to take off the included screen protector. So it has a film screen protector pre-installed, which is fine for scratch protection, but it's not going to give you any impact protection like you get from a tempered glass screen protector. First up, we're going to use the alcohol wipe to get all the dust and oil off the screen. Once you're pretty happy with that, you'll take the actual cloth here, and I always like to kind of get as much of the loose lint off of here as possible so we don't leave any lint behind, and then we'll just kind of dry it off with the provided microfiber cloth. All right, so the next step is super important. You're going to want to take your sticker and get any extra dust. Any dust that's left behind is going to be in between the glass and your use. Also, any kind of screen protector that you're hoping to work with the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, there can be no air bubbles between the screen protector and the sensor. So if you leave any dust in here, that kind of opens you up for air bubbles, and that's not good for an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. All right, so once you're pretty satisfied here that you've gotten all the dust and dirt and oil off of the screen, then the next step is to apply the screen protector. They do recommend going ahead and installing this in the case, and then if you leave any oil or dust behind, you're going to want to make sure that you do go and clean that up. All right, so the screen protector itself here, in the past there has been some issue with the border around the Sentinel screen protectors. You can see here that they've made it super thin as possible. You'll also notice that the glass in the center here is a little bit thinner than the rest of the glass, and that is so the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is going to work flawlessly. All right, so what we're going to do next is we're going to apply a sticker guide to the top and bottom of the screen protector. That way we can get perfect placement. All right, next up we're going to grab this tab up top here and expose the sticky side of the screen protector. This is your last chance to go and grab any dust that might be on the display. So you'll want to go back and grab any dust that might be on the display. For me, taking the sticker guides off was better because they're just not sticky enough to hold this screen protector up. It's too heavy for that. So the best thing to do here would be just to line this camera hole up with the camera and then drop it in place, kind of using the case as a guide. And then kind of just press the curvature of the glass to make sure you get a good seal on everything. With the screen protector installed, everything still looks perfectly. You can't really even tell that there is a screen protector. All this is going to do is add some drop resistance, and this is going to give your phone 360 degrees of protection from impact or scratches. That about wraps it up for this video. Once again, I'll include links in the description of where you can pick up the Sentinel glass screen protector for yourself. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.